Hello everyone, my friends, my viewers at home. My name is Andranali, the Bazooka Prophet, and today we'll be working on a very interesting video talking about what we call molarity. Now we should understand that molarity is one of the common units of concentration, and that molarity is or can be defined as the number of moles of a solute per unit volume in liters. Please take note. Per unit volume of the solution in liters. Take note. So we can first say that number of moles of solute is equal to liters. Which is like over the liters of solution, which is N over V. Which is this is the first one, which is C is equal to number of moles of the solute per the unit volume of the of the solution, or the mass over the molar mass multiplied by 1000 over volume of the solution when the volume is given to us in milliliter or cm cube. That is when we use the 1000 over volume, which is this is a shortcut. But when the volume is not given to us in milliliter, or maybe it is given to us in the standard unit, which is in liters or in dm cube, it will be more mass over molar mass multiplied by 1 over the volume. So you see a question right here on the board. We should take note that the unit of molarity is in mole per liter or mole per dm cube, or in molar concentration, which is, you can say 2 molar concentration. So please do not confuse the unit. If I put up that is 2m, this one simply means 2 molar, which is 2 molarity. So please don't get it twisted. So we move ahead to solve a question given to us right here on the board, and the question is very, very simple. Solution. Now let's see this question. Now the question says, calculate the molarity of a solution prepared by dissolving 11.5 gram of solution of sodium hydroxide in enough water to make 1.5 liter of. Very simple. So it simply means you take 11.5 gram of this sodium hydroxide and you dissolve it in enough water to make it to the mark in your measuring cylinder to 1.5 liter mark to give us the solution of the sodium hydroxide. Very simple. So to get for the concentration, we should understand that C is equal to, first of all, let's know what we're giving. We're giving, first of all, the mass to be 11.5 gram, and we're giving also the volume of the solution to be 1.50 liters. And of course, the molar mass of the sodium hydroxide, which is sodium, is 23 plus oxygen. The ROM of oxygen is 16, while that of hydrogen is 1, to give you what we call 40 gram per mole. Let me be very short. It's 23 plus 16 plus 1. Okay, so we continue now. We should understand that the concentration of the molarity is equal to water. So I'm going to use this formula, which is the mass over the molar mass times, because the volume was given to us in liters. So the return is for the 1000 to be 1 over the volume of the solution in liters now, equal to the mass here is 11.5, the molar mass is 40 times 1 over the volume of the solution is 1.5 liter. So that when we multiply and we divide, the answer should give me, okay, that's 0.192 molar. Okay, yeah, molar or mole per dm cube. So this is the first question. I hope it's clear. Okay, so let's go to the next question. So we move to the next question that says, what mass of nitric acid, which is HNO3, is contained in 250 ml of 0.2 molar of the nitric acid solution? Very, very simple. So there's nothing difficult here. Now what do we do? Given, we have to look for the mass. This time, we're giving the volume of the solution to be 250 ml, and we're giving the concentration of the molarity to be 0.20 molar. Of course, what we connect the mass will be the molar mass of the HNO3, which is 1 plus, because we're giving here, plus 14 bracket 16 times 3. Altogether will give me 63 gram per mole. That's 63 gram per mole. Now we move to this question. Now, if you look at the formula that we're going to make use of here, is very, very simple. It is the concentration, which is the molarity, is equal to the mass over the molar mass multiplied by, we are going to make use of 1,000 here because the volume of it of the mil. So 1,000 over the volume now. So I'm looking for the mass here. So what do? I will make the mass the subject of the formula by saying, okay, C multiplied by the molar mass multiplied by the volume is equal to the mass times 1,000, so that you can easily understand. So we can first say that the mass is now equal to CmV over 1,000. The concentration here of the molarity here is 0.2 multiplied by the molar mass is 63, the volume is 250, and the volume and so over what now 1,000. So that when we divide, we should be having, okay, 3.15 gram. That is the final answer. So that ends the questions on the molarity of a solution. So if you have any issue, you can put it on the comment section below, and I will attend to it. By the grace of God. So have a nice day. You are the best.